Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us out here at MarineMax here in Cumming, Georgia. I'm John, and today I'm going to take you on a brief walkthrough of our 2020 Crest Classic Platinum. As you can see, this boat's got a very high level of trim. This one has two large couches up front. Then floor storage in the center. New for 2020 is this 3-drawer storage unit, which has lots of space for things that you might want to bring along. The rear of this particular model has the L-shaped couches, which has a flip-flop backrest. As you can see where it is right now, you can lounge in the back and enjoy the sun, watch the kids as they're in the back. Or you can flip the backrest and everyone can face forward. This does have a Mercury 150 horsepower engine with a large robust tow bar for pulling your skier or your tuber. Storage console on the side. Large comfortable captain's chair with a cooled cup holder that'll actually keep your drink cold. Full set of gauges, and this boat does include a GPS. Which is not currently on board, but it does go with the boat. Bluetooth stereo, lights all around, everything you need to enjoy your boat. Thank you for stopping by with us. Hope that you'll enjoy our 2020 Crest Classic Platinum. Thank you.